Travel photography is one of the most popular hobbies in the world, and for good reason. Whether you are capturing the stunning landscapes of a far off country for the vibrant street scenes of a bustling city, travel photography allows you to preserve your memories and share them with others. However, taking the perfect travel photo is not always easy. It requires a combination of technical skills, artistic creativity, and a bit of luck. In this article, we shall share some tips and tricks for capturing the perfect shot while traveling. Research your destination before you start shooting. It's important to research your destination. Look for information about the best location for photography, the best time of day to shoot, and any cultural considerations you should be aware of. This will help you plan your shoot and make the most of your time at each location. Bring the right equipment. The right equipment can make a huge difference in your travel photography. Consider investing in a good camera, a versatile lens, and a sturdy tripod. If you are traveling light, a compact camera or even a high quality smartphone can also produce great result. Master the technical basics. Understanding the technical aspects of photography is essential to capturing the perfect shot. Learn about aperture, shutter speed, and ISO, and experiment with different settings to see how they affect your photos. Don't be afraid to play around with your camera's manual setting. This is where the magic happens. Compose your shot carefully. Composition is the key to creating a visually pleasing photo. Use the rule of thirds to position your subject off center, or experiment with leading lines to draw the viewer's eyes into the photo. Consider the background and foreground of your shot and make sure there are no distracting elements that take away from your subject. Play light with light is one of the most important element in photography, and understanding how to use it to your advantage can make a huge difference in your photos. Play around with natural light and artificial light sources and experiment with different angles and directions to create mood and atmosphere. Edit your photos. Post processing and editing can make a huge difference in the final result of your photos. Use editing software such as Lightroom or Photoshop to enhance your photos, adjusting brightness, contrast, and color to make your images pop. However, be careful not to overdo it. The goal is to enhance your photos, not them look fake or overly processed. Interact with locals. One of the best ways to capture the essence of a place is to interact with local. Ask permission before taking photos of people, and don't be afraid to strike up a conversation